Highland Ag Solutions designs simplified software to help agribusinesses professionally manage their operations. The Highland Hub software is a digital compliance, sustainability, and enterprise management tool that allows growers, packers, and shippers to take control of their business from anywhere.
So before the Hub, I was using a competitive software. We didn't have a lot of flexibility in that software. Since moving over to the Hub, we've had a lot of good success in being able to move over to the forms, download our SOPs and our standards, and everything that we need is just right there in one spot so that it's audit ready.
Subscribing to Highland Hub will help your business achieve operational efficiency by connecting your SOPs across multiple locations, allowing you to unlock your business's full potential through state-of-the-art software and a support system to guide you. The Hub offers a suite of software solutions for farms and facilities of any size to comply with FSMA and buyer requirements. Our food safety compliance software, FS365, reduces auditing time by 70%. FS365 starts with your daily logs and ends with your audit reports. You can ensure that your entire food safety operation is audit ready, 365 days a year. Have you had trouble completing records on time? Well, with Crop IQ, you can record applications, run reports, and manage a chemical inventory. Access a virtual toolbox to accurately record your crop protection and nutrient applications. Track your season with ease by utilizing site details. Trace custom planning information with required components from soil to harvest. Supplier Portal allows you to manage documentation for compliance across all suppliers, including FSVP, in a consolidated, seamless system. With Labs, you can link directly with your lab company. Submit samples from your operation and receive results fast. By harnessing the power of the Highland Hub, growers, packers, shippers, and retailers can seamlessly receive and exchange on-demand, real-time insights into the clinical elements of food production. To learn more about the Hub or speak with a team member, please visit highlandhasit.com.